Meanwhile, a 16-year-old girl in Mumbai jumped out of an auto rickshaw after the driver allegedly molested the girl. The girl was travelling home from Goregaon railway station in Mumbai when an auto rickshaw halted in front of her. The driver then allegedly forced her into the auto rickshaw and started molesting the girl. Seeing no help coming her way, she jumped out of the moving rickshaw. She broke her teeth and suffered some injuries as she fell face down on the street. A complaint has been lodged with the police, who have been on the lookout for the driver.
अभी तक उस लड़की को बुला के उस लड़की के स्टेटमेंट्स हमने ले चुके हैं और घटनास्थल पे जो जी सीसीटीवी कैमरा के सहायता से हमने आरोपी को ढूंढने में मदद कर रहे हैं और आरोपी रिक्शा चालक उनको जो गोरेगांव रेलवे स्टेशन के बाजू में जो भी रिक्शा चालक हैं उनको भी मतलब गोपनीय तपासनी हम कर रहे हैं और तपास मतलब चल रही है। इसमें 354A, 325 और पोक्सो एक्ट की कलम 12 ऐसा गुना हमने दाखिल किया है।
Mustafa Sheikh is now joining us with more details. Mustafa, what is the police saying about catching the culprit?
Maha, it's been 8 days since this incident has happened, and the two shocking things about this incident is that first, it happened right outside a station which is a very crowded area, and the second thing is that it happened in the morning. A 16-year-old girl who was passing by the station going towards her home, she didn't have any idea that such a thing can happen in daylight, and then when she was told to get inside the auto, she jumped out of the moving auto on the highway. Her life was in danger, but fortunately she didn't suffer much serious injuries. But then too, after that, the accused is yet to be arrested because the police is saying that they are doing every bit of it. They are in touch with all the people related to the case, the witnesses and the auto union people. Okay. But it's been 8 days, the accused has not been arrested. Right. And this goes as a very bad example that if this such kind of incidents can happen in the daylight, then that raises serious concerns on the safety issues of girls.
Absolutely, Mustafa. And it's been 8 days and the police has not yet been able to nab the culprit. The girl had to jump out of the auto rickshaw in broad daylight when no one came to her rescue because this auto rickshaw driver was molesting her. Many thanks, Mustafa, for joining us with those.